Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to use Discord Nitro features for free. So if you've ever seen websites or modified apps claiming they can unlock every Nitro features for free, then here's the important part. You can legitimately bypass Discord Nitro's paid feature. However, Discord may occasionally offer official promotions, trials, or limited time offers that give eligible users access to Nitro. First, open Discord and check your Nitro section to see whether your account has any current offers. And if you're eligible for an official trial, follow the instructions provided by Discord. You can also use Discord's free version without Nitro for regular messaging, voice chat, communities, and many gaming features. Also, you need to avoid modified Discord apps or website asking you for your login details to unlock Nitro. So that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.